Explore innovative teaching strategies to enhance student engagement and knowledge retention. Learn about memory matrix, gallery walk, KWL chart, and traffic light techniques. Memory matrix is a strategy to enhance recall and make connections between concepts. It helps students needing memorization by organizing and retrieving information effectively. Gallery walk encourages active learning by having students explore different stations. It promotes discussion, peer teaching, and collaborative idea sharing. KWL chart helps track what students know, want to know, and have learned. This technique fosters metacognition and is used before, during, and after lessons. Traffic light is a formative assessment tool that helps with quick understanding checks. Red means, I don't get it. Yellow means, I'm a bit confused. And green means, I understand. Each strategy has unique strengths. Memory matrix aids memorization. Gallery walk encourages collaboration. KWL chart activates prior knowledge. And traffic light offers instant feedback. Start with clear instructions and model the strategy for students. Provide feedback and encouragement, adapt strategies to suit your content, and reflect on effectiveness regularly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and join our community. See you in the next one.